All right, man. Check this one out, man. This is a little different. Big old B body. Pontiac, man. Check it out. 1978 Pontiac Bonneville Brougham, or Brougham as I like to call them. Yeah, man. What you think she got under the hood? Yeah. Actually, this car is really straight. It's a really straight car, man. Look at that. Obviously, the only thing bad is that windshield. It's been sitting for a minute. I think last on the road, I saw damage here. Last on the road, 2012. They had these shingles sitting up here, I guess trying to prevent water from going inside. Should've just changed the damn windshield out, man. Shit. Got that two-tone, rocking the two-tone deal there. The pinstriping right here. Alright, man. Straight car. Musser? Muser? Terrell? Yeah, man. Get that. I'm gonna get that. But yeah, man. No hail damage. Oh, I can see. Yeah. You know what happened? I bet I know what happened. With that dent there and this here, a tree, a limb must have fell in this car. Still though, the hood didn't get any damage that I can see. In the trunk, what we got here? Bonneville. That's cool. And yes, look at that. She came with skirts. This was messed up though. I think it is. But there's only one. I only saw one of them. Deck lids, nice shape. Except for that, I mean, that's still in good shape. This whole tail panel looks nice for the most part. Tail lights look good. Bezels. It's cracked. This one's cracked. That's good. Bumper. Yeah, bumper looks alright. Yeah, man. I was able to find the build sheet on this, man. Luckily, because these don't have the RPO codes. Yeah, they don't have the RPO codes like, you know, like the later ones in the trunk. But it was under here. And I was able to salvage the majority of it, maybe about 70%, maybe. But they added this. Starting to sag. I like this interior, man. I mean, not this one, but you know, this style here with the wrinkled fabric going on there, as you can see. Power windows back here. So you got power locks. Yeah, power locks, power windows. Power driver's seat. That side is a manual. Dash is got some cracks in it. Not too bad though. Yeah. One thing I noticed about this, man. You know what? Hold on one second, man. I've got my freaking... Yeah, hold on a second here. I gotta take this thing off. There we go. Consuming battery. Freaking... well, my light just turned on for no reason. I think because of the amount of... a lack of light, I guess. I don't know. But... interesting how the clock is right smack in the middle. You know, flanked by the speedometer off to the left here. But the clock with the... with your shift indicator down here. What do we got here? What's that mileage? Push to wash. Nice. Tilt column, man. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. You got a full set of rock. I think it's rocking a full set of these gauges. Look at that. I don't know. I'm not sure if they came, if all the Bonnevilles had this, or this was an option. You know, you got your water, oil, your voltmeter, all that right there, man. Those gauges. I don't know if that's optional. I need to look that up actually. Instead of the original radio. Yeah. Dual ashtrays. His and hers. Driver and passenger. Oh. Luckily, I found this. It's going to show the. You can see the VIN on it. There you go. There was not much in the glove compartment. I think this stuff was in there. They just threw it out. But what? Oh crap! Sorry about this, man. Shaking. Freaking arm shaking. I thought this was cool. Oh man. Milton, made in the USA. I don't know if it's still good. We'll see. Anyways. Yeah, there was nothing else under the seats or anything, but and I can't open those two doors. Sucks. Ugh. Yeah, it's called crushed, right? Crushed. Yeah, I think that's what that's referred to. Yeah, I'm gonna look into those gauges. I don't know if those gauges are optional or not, but yeah, you can really see the VIN there. Up front, I don't know if I looked at it, like the whole car looks pretty straight. Look at that. Grill looks good. The headlight bezels look good. Yeah, man, I mean, not a bad looking car, man. I don't think she's rocking the full set of these. She's got 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, she is. She's rocking the full set of the hubcaps here. But you know what, man? I came out here, I was hoping it would have the rally ones, you know, the Pontiac wheels. That's how you refer to them. They yeah, let's take a look underneath real quick. So, my knees, man, gotta love my knees being on these rocks. Hold on one second. Glasses. I can see some rust there though, man. Got some rust there on the front, on this driver's side at least. Yeah, and some on the passenger rear. Oh man, that's a big hole down there. Yeah. But that rear end, man, that's an 8.5. Yes, she is. At 8.5 with the 4 3/4 lug pattern, man. So if anybody want to snag something like that, you know, swap it out, put her in your box Chevy, whatnot, put a posi in there. You got a stronger rear end on the cheap. You don't got to go to that 94. What's that? 94 to no, wait, 91 to 96. You know, like the Bubble Chevy and the Roadmaster rear ends. You don't got to worry about the 5x5 bolt pattern and the, you know, you're having to use that. I have to take the drive shaft probably. Yeah. Take a look at this one. Yeah. 8.5, man. Can't turn it because this wheel's on the floor. But I already know what she is. Like I said, I got the. Check out the. Stick it over here. What do you call it? The build sheet on it, man. Check it out. This is what was left. Well, maybe it's not 80%. Maybe we're talking what, 60% of it. I mean, some of the things, you see, check out the RPO codes on there. But you can see here, G87 right there, 8.5 rear, man, but only a 2.41. Yeah, that's not all that good. And she doesn't have a posi, so but check that out, man. L78 Pontiac 400 4-barrel, big whopping 180 horsepower, I think. Maybe, I don't think it reached 200. But yeah, I mean, I wasn't expecting to see a 400 in here. And yes, Muscle, whatever the heck how you would pronounce that. Terrell, Texas, Fairfax. Huh. I think I saw there with I looked it up. Fairfax, where is that? Kansas, something like that. Kansas plant. Yeah, there it is, man. That's pretty cool. Might take that with me. We'll just take a look under the hood. You already know what it is, right? So, but we'll just look anyways. Let's take a quick look anyways. There it is, 400 cubic inch, 1978. Looks to be all there. Look at her. Oh, now we got the sun, huh? Now we got the sun when I needed it. Oh no, it's a bunch of clouds, so it's coming and going. There it is. I couldn't see much right here, you know. I can't see that one number under here, but I mean, she looks all original. I'd like to take those. I like to take the whole engine, really. I mean, just because. I mean, we don't have no half off specials going on right now. So this engine would probably be, I think, around 300. I think they would charge me for it complete, somewhere around there. I got a core I can give them, just some piece of crap other engine I got, you know. But you know, it is what it is, man. I don't know. I'm lagging, and probably will come back, probably be gone. Who knows? But there it is. There she is. Well, let's take a look under where's that? Where's the? You can. Oh, right in front of me. We can see anything real quick here. Nothing. I don't see any kind of metallic, or do I? I don't know. Yeah, I probably can't see that. Even anyways. Yeah, it's hard to see. Well, let me put this back. Yeah, so I would like to get those brackets off that AC pump. Compressor. We get probably at least about 150 bucks for them. Alright, I guess that's gonna do her, man. Close this up here. And there she is. Another, I guess I call this a land yacht from the 70s. You know, tail end of the 70s. Alright, man. That's gonna do her.